How to see recently watched reels on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to see recently watched reels on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Log into your account. Head towards profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Choose three-line icon at top right corner. Under How you use Instagram section, select your activity. Now, you need to select any of the interactions such as likes. Select that. And maybe you have liked any video while watching. You simply need to tap on all content types and choose Reels. And then tap apply and you will see all your reels that you have liked. From here, you will get the idea and you can see recently watched reel. Also, when you go ahead and open comments, you can see the post or reels you have commented on. Further, come back and here are the notes, tags, sticker responses and reviews. You can simply go ahead and open any of the interactions, and from there you can easily see recently watched reels on Instagram. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.